frost paints the window, a fleeting touch. Bare branches wave, though they don't say much. The sky's heavy gray, pressing low and near. It feels like a weight, but it pulls me here. And the snow whispers soft, like a secret untold. Each flake a story of warmth and the cold. Oh, winter's embrace, so tender, so tight, wrapping the world in its quiet white light. I can't help but linger, though the chill bites deep. In the arms of the season,